Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be hanging out in my closet, but we're not talking about clothes today. We are going to be talking about a few products that I use. I have some things that happen to me and my body that are embarrassing, and I want to show you guys what products I use to deal with these, because maybe you deal with these issues too. The first product that I wanted to talk to you guys about is something that usually only women have to deal with, and it's when you want to wear a top like this that's backless. Like, what bra do you use? I am gifted. Some people would say this isn't a gift, but I have on the smaller size boobs, and I'm able to get away with either not wearing a bra or using the breast petals. These are a lifesaver, especially if I'm going to be wearing a top that's a little more sheer. This covers up everything that I don't want people to see. The next item that I want to talk to you guys about, I get at your local drugstore. Any local drugstore. Garnier Skin Active All-in-One Makeup Remover. This, I think, is like $7, but it works so well. It doesn't clog your pores. It's actually pretty amazing, and I sometimes tend to have breakouts, like especially when it's close to that time of month, so this is a necessity to take my makeup off. I also have been using, since I was a little prepubescent teen, I think that's right, isn't that what you say, prepubescent? I don't know, but I've been using this stuff for as long as I can remember, and this is Persa Gel. And you can find it at your local drugstore. You just put a little bit of this on the area you want to get rid of, and it'll zip it away. So this is what I use when I'm having a breakout. The next product that I want to talk to you guys about isn't something that everyone deals with, but I personally deal with it, and it can be really embarrassing. And it is product buildup and dry scalp, so dandruff. Comes from that. I've been using the Briago Scalp Revival, and this has seriously saved me. I wouldn't have been able to wear this top before because it would look like snowflakes on my shoulders. Not cute, not a good look. So this stuff totally saves me. You just gotta get it open. Drip it onto your scalp. And it has charcoal and tea tree. It smells good. It saves your life. I don't know what I would do without this stuff. The last product I want to talk to you guys about is definitely a personal topic. And it's about, well, girls that wax don't need to worry about this, but I personally prefer to shave. And I have sensitive skin, so I end up with bumps and irritation. I've been using this No Bump solution, and also the No Bump shave gel. This stuff has saved me for bikini season. Jason and I just moved into a building that has a pool right downstairs, and the more you shave, the more bumps you get, and I was struggling, you guys, until I found this stuff. This goes on after you shave, and it is amazing. I mean, it burns because it's like a topical solution that cleans your skin. It burns a little, but it does the job. This is so smooth and soft. The razor just glides along your skin. No more ugly bumps. I feel good wearing my swimsuit. And none of these products are sponsored, you guys. These are just what I do to deal with embarrassing things that happen to me. I wanted to share these products with you guys so that if you were having these issues and didn't know how to deal with them, you would know what good products to use. Well, that is all I had for you guys today. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe below if you aren't subscribed already. And leave me a comment if you have any questions about the products I talked about. I will see you guys next time.